guys, it is September the 10th, 2024, and this is the first opportunity that I've had to go out and show you the Gulf State Park Pier since it's reopened from the damage it got from Hurricane Sally a few years ago. I'm going to do a little dual video with this video. I'm going to be able to show you the new State Park Pier that's opened up, but also we have Tropical Storm Francine that's in the Gulf heading towards Louisiana. It's expected to make landfall in Louisiana sometime Wednesday, tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. We shouldn't get much impact from it, maybe some high surf, a little breezy, windy, and some rain. But let's take a look at the new Gulf State Park Pier since it's reopened. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. The parking lot here at the State Pier is paid parking. You do have to pay to park unless you're a veteran, and you have to have the veteran decal on your car. They have the little pay kiosks that you can see right there in the middle. Parking at the Gulf State Park Pier is $10 for all day. They do accept cash, credit, debit cards, but the machine does not dispense change. So, $10 parking for the day for the Gulf State Park Pier. Overcast, nasty, rainy day today. A lot of this from Tropical Storm Francine. Wet and gloomy looking, but any day at the beach is a good day. The Bywater Beachside Beach Bar and Grill is located here, this first little section of the State Pier. They have a little stage area here and restaurant and bar area there. Bait and tackle shop. At the time of this video, sightseeing is $2. For veterans with ID, it's free. 11 and under are free. Fishing is $9, and veterans sightseeing is, rather veterans fishing is $6. So people out walking along looking for shells and such. And even on an overcast day like today, with a storm looming off to the west there, we're out fishing. There are restroom facilities here about midway, along with a fish cleaning station. This end portion was the portion that was broken away from the storm that they finally repaired. And you can see the observation deck down there on the end of the pier. We'll go up there and take a look around. The observation area up above me is locked, so we couldn't go up there.
Sorry about that.
That's Gulf Shores State Park area, and off there in the distance is Orange Beach. Also, don't forget, when you're checking out the Gulf State Park Pier, when it is open, you do have to check out the Bywater Beachside Bar and Grill. And that's just a quick little stroll down the reopened Gulf State Park Pier. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.